If you're seeing an Evernote error during authentication, don't worry. This is usually caused by browser cookies, extensions, or network security settings interfering with the login process. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Evernote signed in again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. First, the easiest thing to try is Chrome's Incognito Mode. An incognito window gives you a clean session without your regular browser cache, stored cookies, or most active extension conflicts. On Windows, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and N together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Once the incognito window opens, go back to Evernote and try signing in again. If the authentication error disappears in incognito, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from something in your main browser profile. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted login data can easily trap Evernote in an authentication loop. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Find the option for Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so you fully remove any damaged session files. Make sure you check cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Then click Clear Data and restart your browser completely before trying Evernote again. Now let's move on to extensions and privacy tools. Ad blockers, script blockers, and strict privacy shields can prevent Evernote from loading the authentication cookies it needs to sign you in. Open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily turn off anything that could interfere, especially ad blockers like uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus. If you use any privacy-focused browser features or security add-ons, disable those too for the test. After that, reload Evernote and try logging in again. If it works, you can re-enable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the issue. If none of that fixes it, the next thing to check is your network. Firewalls, VPNs, proxies, and antivirus web shields can sometimes block Evernote's secure servers or flag the login request as suspicious. Disconnect from any VPN or proxy you're using, and if possible, temporarily turn off third-party firewall or antivirus web protection features. Then try a different connection, like switching from office Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot. This is a really useful test because it tells you whether the problem is tied to your network rather than your browser. At this point, in most cases, one of these steps will solve the Evernote authentication error. The key is to test in a clean browser session, remove bad cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and rule out network restrictions one at a time. That way, you're not guessing. You're narrowing the problem down quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.